Hey everyone, just a quick explanation before we get into the video. So earlier this year, I did a series of short Twitter videos where I would take different kinds of liquor and different kinds of mixers and test things out and come up with different kinds of cocktails and then share them for my Twitter followers. And more than anything, it was just an excuse to get some practice in front of the camera, become a little more comfortable with it, which you'll see from the earlier ones that I clearly needed, and honestly, I still do. But the reason I'm telling you this is don't expect much in terms of quality or content. They were also edited on a cell phone. I should mention that. But the reason I'm sharing it, the main reason I'm sharing it, two reasons actually, is number one, they don't all currently exist in one place. They're all just kind of scattered about my Twitter timeline and buried under thousands upon thousands of stupid, pointless tweets. And number two, the drink recipes actually turned out to be pretty good, like surprisingly so. So if you try them out, you may find out that you enjoy, if not all of them, most of them. So they're pretty good. So just so you know what to expect going into it. Other than that, enjoy. I hope you try them. I hope you like them. Leave in the comments if you did. And thanks in advance for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.